Today we'll be making Nigeria buns but with a twist. This is one of the easiest snacks you can find in the streets of Nigeria. Hello creative bangers, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. I'll be using evaporated milk. Please feel free to use whole milk or any other kind of milk that you prefer, all right? To that, I'll be adding sugar, all right? Once that is done, I am going to add half cup of water, mix to combine very well. Once that is done, you are going to set the wet ingredients aside. We'll move to the dry ingredients. In a bowl, start by sifting all-purpose flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it, all right? Once that is done, I'm going to move in with the rest of the dry ingredients. I started with salt, vanilla flavor, and baking powder. Feel free to add any other dry ingredients of your choice, all right? Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. Now it is time to move in with either butter or margarine. Once you add the butter or margarine, start mixing till you form a sandy texture. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, you can see what the texture looks like. It is time to introduce the VIP of the day. I'll be moving in with fruit raisins or raisin fruit, whichever. This took this recipe from level 0 to 100. Try it, you would love it. Mix to combine very well. It is time to move in with the wet ingredients, all right? Now make sure you stir one more time before adding. Sometimes the sugar can settle at the bottom, all right? Once you add it, gently you are going to mix. Now I noticed that the liquid ingredients wasn't enough. Now I added extra water. Add to yours if necessary, all right? I mixed, it wasn't enough. I added another water. If you are with me at this moment, type extra water. Continue to mix till you form a batter, just like this one. Now, to have that perfect shape, you can use an ice cream scooper to scoop into the hot oil, but I'm going to show you how to make a perfect shape. Mold and drop. Mold and drop. If you are with me at this moment, type mold and drop. Mold and drop. Mold and drop into the hot oil. A beautiful shout out to you, Hannah, watching from Osun State, Nigeria. Nafisa from Cameroon. Fernando, watching from Venezuela. Posh Mommy, watching from Nigeria. And Diana, all the way from Netherlands. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, after molding and dropping into the hot oil, please allow to cook for about 2 minutes or 3. Don't use too much heat, all right? Flip the other side to cook as well. Continue to flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. Buns is set to be ready once they are golden brown. Take the beauties out of the hot oil. You just made yourself a delicious raisins fruit buns. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. It was super delish, trust me. crunchy outside but super moist inside. This can be enjoyed just the way it is or with any beverage of your choice. This can serve as a food or as a snack. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia! This can also serve for personal use, also for commercial purposes. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.